Retrecto-Lok fluid transfer Luer-Lock connector is the best device of choice when transferring fluid from a transfer syringe to unit dose syringes, connecting any IV lines, or connecting anything with two Luer-Lock tips. Alpha Promed knows and understands how important practicality is in healthcare, so we designed a superior fluid transfer connector focused on improving administration and making the job easier for our practitioners. Retrecto-Lok products incorporate a variety of safety syringes and connectors. Retrecto-Lok fluid transfer Luer-Lock connector are available in a one-size fit, featuring proximal and distal ends. This connector has proximal and distal female Luer-Lock ends for connections used for transferring fluids or medications to syringes or anything else with a Luer-Lock tip. It includes a screw-on lid. Retrecto-Lok fluid transfer Luer-Lock connector are manufactured with the highest quality grade virgin PP and are sterilized by EO sterilization. They are compatible with Luer-Lock ends only. All syringes are non-pyrogenic, non-toxic, and latex-free. All Retrecto-Lok products are manufactured in a clean room environment and packaged with the Alpha Pack method to uphold package integrity, cleanliness, and efficiency. They come packaged one each in a sterilized blister. 100 blisters come in an easy dispenser box for maximum storage facility and reusable packaging. They are FDA registered and each box is produced according to the most rigorous ISO, GMP, and OSHA standards. Each box produced carries an accompanying certificate of quality and conformity, so you can have the peace of mind you're only using the best product for the safety of you and your patients. Retrecto-Lok fluid transfer Luer-Lock connectors are your #1 budget-friendly Luer-Lock connectors in the market.